Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and in the last video we talked about the conflicts that we are having in our lives, and these conflicts arise due to the self-limiting beliefs that we have about ourselves and the conditioning that we get when we grow up. And the problem is that we believe these beliefs, and we believe in our limitations more than we believe in our strengths and in our talents, in our skills. That is the main problem why all these conflicts that we are having in our lives still exist, and we are not able to break free of them. So in this video I'd like to share a story with you. I read this story on a book called Success Principles by Jack Canfield. He's the guy who's in that Secret movie. So what happens in this story is that a man was passing through an elephant camp, and lots of giant and big elephants were there, and he saw something unusual about that camp. And it was that all these elephants were tied with a really small rope tied to one of their legs. It was really easy for those elephants to just get free from that rope because they are really strong, and that rope was really very small rope, very thin rope. So that man got confused that why these elephants are not escaping the camp, are not getting free of that rope. So he went to the elephant trainer, and he asked them that what is this happening, why these elephants are not just kicking away this rope and escaping the camp, what is happening here. So the trainer tells him a really interesting thing, that when these elephants are really small, these elephants are tied with the same rope, same thin small rope tied to one of their legs. And when they are small, they are not able to get themselves free of that rope because they are small and they are weak. When they are small, they try to get free, but they could not get free because they are weak and they are not that strong. So when they grow up, they just don't try to get free of that rope, and because now they have believed that they will not be able to get free from that rope. So this is why all these elephants are still tied with that small thin rope, and they cannot get free because their minds are conditioned to believe that they are not strong enough. And so what happens is they just don't even try to get free from that rope, they just don't try to escape that rope. So this is a really funny story because I think that this story resembles to many of us right now, because we are also conditioned to believe in our limitations, in our weaknesses, in our self-limiting beliefs about ourselves. Even though we grow up and we have all this strength, we have all the skills, the talents, the knowledge that we need to move ahead in our life, but we still have these self-limiting beliefs in ourselves, which is really a painful thing to have, because just like these elephants, we are so strong, we are so giant, and we have all the capacity, we have all the ability to achieve anything in our life, but we are still holding on to that small piece of rope tied to one of our legs. And we kind of discourage ourselves, and we kind of feel inferior, and which is why I think that we are not able to realize our true potential in life, because we have these beliefs about ourselves. And to be honest, I think that I think that we should take the responsibility now, the responsibility of going ahead in our life and improving ourselves. When we were kid, we had these beliefs, and maybe someone else conditioned those beliefs inside ourselves. But right now, as we grow up, we should at least try to break free that small thin rope tied to our leg. And if we try, I'm sure that just like that elephant, we can also break free of these conditions, the limitations the world is trying to impose on us. And that is certain to happen, because if you think about that elephant is most likely to get that rope out of his leg, but that elephant is just not trying. But we are humans, and we have this amazing thing called mind. Our brain is so amazing, and we should use this brain, and we should go ahead and we should try all these things that we are so scared about, and we are so afraid about failures and disappointments in our life. But I think that we should just go ahead and try all these things that are most likely going to make much more sense in our life. It is most likely to fulfill our lives. So I think that the story is really encouraging, and when I read about it I was really thrilled, because it kind of gave answers to a lot of problems, a lot of conflicts that we have in our life, that why do I feel like this, why do I feel so unsure about myself and so incomplete inside myself. So I want you to identify one such belief in your life that you think that you cannot do, but that belief kind of was conditioned into you by someone else, and maybe you conditioned that by yourself into your system, into your mind. But I want you to break free that one belief, that one thing that you're so afraid to do, and that one thing that you think that you cannot do, because I'm sure that even if you fail at it, even if you don't do good at it, at least you would have taken a hit, and that hit is really important to take. So let's do this, and let's become that giant, really big elephant, because we have that strength, we have that positivity, we have this amazing mind, amazing brain, and to be honest, I'm really excited about it, to try new things, to try new adventures in life, because life is all about trying. So let's do this. And so if you have anything else, just comment me on the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Much love to you and happiness to you.